OFM News, in touch with your world.
Has tarnished and destroyed them on no facts, no evidence has been brought in any side. It's already confirmed that I've escaped. But no one knows the true facts. It is already confirmed that Thabo Bester is a rapist and a murderer. But there's no evidence. I am self-convicted. I pleaded guilty to the most crucial, or most dangerous unit, which is called the Patumena Killer Squad, forced me to plead guilty. And that case has been pending for 13 years in these courts. Transcripts have been missing for 13 years. And it goes around in South Africa as there is a proven fact, beyond reasonable doubt, that Thabo Bester is a murderer and a rapist. I've been out for a year. There's not one charge. Leonard Chauke, which I can refer to. I am not the worst inmate in this country. I don't have the highest counts. I have 3 counts. But I am the most popular inmate in this country for no reason, because of the political carnage and because of the political issues that I have in my personal capacity that have nothing to do with this legal proceedings. And I feel that I am to address that. And Your Honor, with my last point, that I feel it's unfair for these people that are sitting here as my so-called accused to be in court when I know very well they have nothing to do with this. When I know very well that they were not present in any of these issues that are in this indictment. The people that have been protected by the investigating team are very clearly known. I have more than enough evidence to prove that this thing is much more than just an average people that are working at an institution called G4S that just decided on one day to release me. It's highly impossible for them to do that without political power, with other high office involved in this issue. I have been out in South Africa, living my life for a year. I have not violated any human, but I am treated with the utmost, even in the legal fraternity, Your Honor. It's very difficult for me to appoint an attorney. Attorney would cancel brief on the basis that say, I don't want to be associated with Thabo Bester because the media will attack me. I've had 5 counsels who told me that I would love to be in your case, but I'll be in the background because I cannot be seen in front, because you're Thabo Bester. The media will destroy me and the state will never give me any work. Is that anyhow how I should be treated when I am standing in trial, Your Honor? Is that equal to any other person that is standing in trial? My last point is that under section...
This is the third last one.
But let's make it the last one. Section 277, that was cancelled by the Constitutional Court as a death sentence. Your Honor, I say this as a broken man, and I say this wholeheartedly. It tears me apart to see these people in this court, knowing very well that they're suffering for something that know nothing. I request that the public, if they are so convinced, and if the prosecution is so convinced that I am the waste of these people's lives, that this section be enforced on a penal or on a petition. That under the previous Act of Correctional Services, of Criminal Prosecution, Act 126 of 92, that a death sentence be given as a petition, that the public signs a petition, and I be given a death sentence, and immediately I will agree to it. So we end this matter. I came here with 80 cars. I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I've been having chains on my feet. My feet are ice at this point. I can barely feel my toes. This is not the way I want to proceed, Your Honor. If it means that this court can accept the petition and the public can sign it, and I can be put to rest, and we can put all this, because I am at peace. I know what I've done. I know what I've done. I am not perfect. But one thing I know for a fact, that none of these things would exist if there was no backhand of political watchdogs that control the situation. And I humbly ask them, and I'm sorry to have the outburst, but it's a lot for me to take. Really, it's too much, because I feel that it's unfair. It is unfair to be treated and to struggle to appoint an attorney. You'll find the best attorney in one hand or the best advocate, but they will refuse to brief. It's not a matter of fun, it's a matter of association. And it's not fair. It means that I'm not equal in this court. And if I'm not equal in this court, then it's a waste of time to come to court. Then you might as well just sentence me and release these people because they do nothing.
Are you done? Thank you. Yes, Mr. Preston, it seems to me that what I
challenge on whether the facts get to related to my defense, because I do feel that it has to be the same challenge again. And I think I understand what people are saying in the sense of me approaching formal application for the whole.
if need be,
Yes.
yes.
But I do request that God come give me an opportunity to give these, because that's not the only challenge. I'd like to take the one the actual challenge so that the court can understand where I'm coming from in raising this point. May I proceed?
You may proceed.
Your Honor, I'm having a challenge to basically be able to consult, not only consult, but access legal documentation from my incarceration currently.
Just a minute. When you say legal documentation, what does that mean?
That means that Correctional Service Act 341 of 1993, which I am charged under, I have requested it from the National Commissioner, the Area Commissioner, and that I'm being told that I cannot access that document. And that document is actually the document that I'm charged. I don't know why I'm not allowed to access the document. I've not been given any explanation on that. It took me 4 months to be able to access the Bill of Rights and the Constitution. So what I'm trying to explain to the court is that there are fundamental issues that are pertaining to me as a accused, that I believe that any legal representation that's going to say is going to deal with the same issues, and it's going to end up in a point where I'm going to withdraw. This is my third withdrawal of an attorney, and I feel that all of them will have the same challenge. The challenge are that I'm not able to have either access to the documents they want to give me, and the documents are sitting with, because at the current situation is that the National Commission has placed me under indirect, meaning that there's nothing that can be processed or given to me without its access or without its direct approval. And in that, it means that whatever document my legal team may present, the motion of whatever application of any legal documentation, it has to be given to him. And I feel that that is unfair, Your Honor. And also, legal representations are withdrawing from the case based on the fact on how they are treated when they are actually consulting, or how they are treated when they are coming to consult. And I feel that if they're saying to you that I need to appoint another attorney, you should, or they should come and present the case of my treatment, when I am the one who's being treated in that manner, I feel it wouldn't be correct, Your Honor, because I'm the one that's treated in that manner. I'm the one experiencing that. And to allow me to just point, because I'd like to proceed with my. The National Commissioner, Your Honor, has been in charge, or has taken the obligation of being in charge of me as an inmate. And in that, meaning that all my responsibilities or any activities that involves Thabo Bester has the Thabo Bester Act, according to Correctional Services. The way I feel I'm treated, it might not be correct, but that's how I do it. I've segregated from everyone for the past 15 months. I have not had access or contact with any human except the EST that sits outside my door. And that's the only people I see. And I feel for my mental health and other issues, it is unfair, it is not presenting me in the best ability to be in this court. I also believe that the so-called political sway behind this wave that's trying to deprive me of any right to be able to have a fair defense in this matter is crucial. Your Honor, I shy away not from the fact that in the docket there's a statement that has been produced by the investigating officer who actually apparently committed suicide, that says that I have said that the former president is the one who orchestrated this escape. And if you read the indictment, it has the former presidential protection unit as a witness, and also the matter of case that I've opened, the investigating officer in that matter is also a witness in this case. So meaning that, Your Honor, I am sitting in a situation where I, as a person, feel that I have no system or any place where else to bring my grievances than this court and myself. Because if I have to bring it before the president, there's no one available to assist me. The National Commissioner has on public platforms said he will address and have a meeting with me. This was 2 months when I got back into this country. And until to this day, I have never seen that person. I have only heard of reports. To continue with this issue is that, Your Honor, I believe that even my presence in this court, I am not going to this court freely, where I can express myself. If you can look at me, Your Honor, in the way that I am cuffed in the way, Your Honor, that is unhuman. for a person that's coming to defend and fight for his own life. Be it or be it not,